Okay? Only I'm going up this tree to get apples for the dog biscuits I am going to make. But do not go on this tree unless you're over the age of about 10 plus. I am 16, my mistake. And ouch! Ouch! Okay, and we are gonna get 2 apples for Paisley approved dog biscuits. But let's make it funner and get free because it's almost the holidays. And I am really scared of heights, folks. So I am really scared of heights. Oh no, no. Okay, folks, so you'll get that guy. Yeah. Don't worry, folks. Wait. And we are always wash these.
What kind of dog biscuits are you making?
The dog biscuits I'm gonna be making is
Apple chia.
Paisley approved peanut butter apple chia dog biscuits. And these are gonna be great for the holidays. So keep watching this video, subscribe, turn on post notifications, do all of that. I need to find another apple without falling over this tree. I might come down. That's the best content for everybody. So let's roll the intro in 10.
You're gonna jump off now.
Okay, everybody, let's roll the intro in 10, 9, 8, 7, I'm scared, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, no! Hello everybody, it's King of the Naked. Welcome back. I'm back with the apples. And yes, today we are going to be making something yummy. Okay guys, today we have got, for our Paisley approved peanut butter cookies, we have got peanut butter. We've got our hemp seeds. We've got that, what can go away. We've got some chia seeds. We've got our flour.
Okay.
What? Oat flour. My mistake, everybody. This is oat flour, so yeah, it's different. I think dogs will like this one better than real flour. And we've got our rowdy powdy oaty pin, and we've got whoa, and that's all. We've got some pea in the shape of Paisley. We've got a heart for our heart because holidays and everyone loves family. We've got a dog bone because everyone loves these little dog bones. Everybody. Yeah. Okay, everybody, we are gonna grade about 3 apples. That is equivalent to like 1 cup. So yeah, we'll go this. So they smell amazing. Yay, right in my eye. And we can always fast forward this. So yeah, fast forward it, please.
What's good about apples?
You know what's good about apples is Wait. Okay, and everybody, if you are wondering how to make one of these marvelous chia eggs, what are amazingly vegan, it is free. That is my dog. Do not worry about it, folks. Okay, and everybody, like I said, if you want to make a chia egg, it is free. Tablespoons water. And 1 tablespoon of this amazing chia. And it's so easy. And you can always substitute it to like flax seed or anything else like that. So yeah. Yep, and anyway, yeah, it looks pretty good. Not bad. Okay, and everybody, we are going to put all our stuff in this big bowl. So we're going to put our apples. Great. Fall right in. Put our oat flour right in too. Amazing. Put our peanut butter, because you know dogs like a lot of peanut butter. Let's get this guy stuff in. And peanut butter is very good for you too. And yes, guys, this is in the step of making the amazing dog biscuits. And we are going to use our hands to do this. And yes, let's speed it up, please.
And everybody, please don't be hesitant to get your hands in when you make this, because, you know, it's for your dog, and yeah, they'll love these, so it looks so good, you could just eat, you know, so I really don't mind if you have a bite of this, because it's not like it's gonna kill you, so, but yeah, this is for your dogs. I hope your dogs will like these. Super easy to make, too. And yes, it's very great, healthy ingredient for your dogs, so my dog is gonna eat them probably, too, because she loves peanut butter a lot.
I used to be like one of the ballerinas would go like
that. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, guys, let's roll it. Not funny. I know. So we're gonna go, and then we're gonna roll it. I really don't know how to use these, but I was taught a good way how to use them.
Okay, go like that. This is the heart. Everyone loves hearts. Here we go. Put one heart there. And guys, oh, you can eat these too, because I wouldn't be afraid. I eat anything as, like, I eat apples, raw, I don't know, raw bath bombs. Like I know I'm joking, I don't eat those, guys. But I eat other yummy, healthy, good food, what is good for your body. So, oh, dang it. Dang, man. See, that's what's hard about this. But, you know, you learn. Just like learning golf, just like learning soccer, just like learning to be a chef. Okay. Okay, amazing. That's good. Get our little dog bone. Why not, right? Amazing. Okay, where are we going to put this? Put that up there, and there we go. These are all our dog biscuits. We can put them in the oven for about 350 degrees. Oven degrees, and yeah. You know, they're not bad at all. Okay, everybody, while this is cooking, while the dog biscuits are cooking, I would love for you guys to buy my book. It is on Amazon. It is King Zoom, The Vegan Kid, Animals Used for Food. And yes, it is a great book of all my journeys on sanctuaries and everything like that. I'll show you like an inside of it. That's me, of course. And then there's all that part. Amazing book. All of that. So yeah, very good book. I would love for you guys to buy this. And I would love for you guys to subscribe, turn on post notifications, then you get alerts when I make a new upload. And yeah, like the video, that would be amazing. And share on Facebook or whatever you have, that would be amazing. So other people see it. Do all that. And yes, these are our amazing stuff. You can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. That would be amazing. It's all down here in the description and on the screen. So, yep, that's the video for you guys. And, yeah, we'll see you next time. Yep. Yeah. Bye. Taping it. Okay, everybody, here we go. Let's give Paisley a heart.
Do you like these biscuits?
Okay, she does like them. But does she like eating them is the question. She does. No way. Do you like the taste of them? Okay. Do you like the look of them? Ah, really? Okay, everybody. So, yes, these trees are amazing for the holidays because the holidays are coming up. Kwanzaa, Christmas, all the other holidays that you guys celebrate. And yes, these are great for other companion animals or other family member dogs, you know. So, yeah, this would be great for other people and dogs, you know, as a gift for the holidays coming up soon. I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and we'll see you next time. She likes the raw ones too, unbelievably.